Dadajan, you look confused. What is the matter?
The doctor advised me to walk at least 1 kilometer every day to keep healthy. But I can't tell how many times I have to walk around this ground to complete 1 kilometer.
That's easy. Yesterday in math class, we studied circumferences.
Circumferences?
Yes. The edge of this ground, where we are walking right now, makes the circumference of a circle. We know the diameter of the ground, so we can calculate the circumference using a simple formula.
We know that the circumference of a circle can be calculated using this formula. C is equal to pi d, where the value of pi is taken as 3.14 or 22 divided by 7. The diameter of the ground is 110 meters. So, the circumference of the ground is equal to pi into 110, which is equal to 345.4 meters. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. If we multiply 345.4 by 3, we get 1036.2 meters, which completes the doctor's requirement of a 1 kilometer walk. Therefore, Dadajan has to complete 3 rounds of the ground. We also know that the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. If we replace the diameter in the formula with 2r, we can now use the formula to calculate the circumference of a circle if we know its radius.
Shabash, beta. Now I know that I have to complete 3 rounds of the ground. But tell me, do you know how to find the area of the ground too?
Yes, Dadajan. Using the known diameter or radius of the ground, we can also find its area.
The area of a circle, such as this ground, can be calculated using the following formula. Area is equal to pi r squared. To find the area of the ground, we first divide the diameter by 2 to get the radius. After getting the radius, we simply plug it into this formula to get the area. The area of the ground is equal to pi into 55 squared, which is equal to 9,498.5 square meters. Time for an exercise. Find the circumferences and areas of the given circles. Circle A has a diameter of 10 centimeters. Using the formula C is equal to pi d, we get the circumference 31.4 centimeters. The radius of the circle is the diameter divided by 2, which is 5 centimeters. The area is then pi into 5 squared, which is 78.5 square centimeters. Circle B has a radius of 10 centimeters. Using the formula C is equal to 2 pi r, we get the circumference 62.8 centimeters. To calculate the area, we use the formula for area pi r squared. Circle C has a diameter of 14 meters. Using the same formula as before, but this time taking pi as 22/7, we get the circumference 44 meters. The area can then be calculated by first finding the radius, which in this case is equal to 7 meters. Then we use the formula for area with pi taken again as 22/7. The area is equal to 22/7 into 7 squared. 7 squared can be written as 7 into 7. After some cancellation and calculation, we get the area as 154 square meters. Let's summarize. To calculate the length of the circumference of a circle, we use the formula C is equal to pi d, where d is the diameter of the circle. Since the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius, this formula can also be written as C is equal to 2 pi r. This means that we can find the circumference of a circle if we are given either its diameter or its radius. To calculate the area of a circle, we use the formula A is equal to pi r squared, where r is the radius of the circle. If we are given the diameter of the circle, we can divide it by 2 to get the radius and then use the radius in this formula to find the area of any circle.